Hello and welcome back. But if you're new here, thank you for tuning in and possibly joining the Pretty Plug community. In today's video, I will be reviewing Ninja Transfers Direct to Film, better known as DTF. So stay tuned in. First off, I would like to say thank you to my cousins over at Ninja Transfer for allowing me to sample their DTF transfers and to give my community a closer look at how DTF transfers work. Now that I have the box open, on the top is the instruction sheet. On one side it tells you how to apply the DTF transfers. On the other side is for the permanent stickers. And this is just a protective film like parchment paper to protect the DTF when you press it. And these are just some sample stickers that they sent for me to test out. And this right here is what they would call a 10-foot gang sheet. And I can say, when I unravel this, I am really impressed. Look at the colors. And when I say I had to roll it out on the floor just to see everything, look at that. It's like, I felt like it was never ending. The colors came out so nice. I simply couldn't wait to press one of these on a shirt. Look how many designs I fit on here. I am truly amazed. I can't stop looking at it because the images look so nice, and I can't believe how many designs I fit on here. So I took a risk and tried to add a QR code to my logo. And yep, it didn't work. So moving right along, here I'm just cutting out each image. And I want to show you how it looks on the front and the back of the image. That's the front. And the back is like a white film. And it came out to be 40 of the designs in total. And I'm not even going to hold you. This would be a really good idea if you got a small business and you got a bulk order and you don't want to go through the process of weeding and sublimating. This is a very good alternative. Say you got a bulk order and you had to weed out vinyl. Do you know how long that would take? I mean, it would take hours. Even though I am a weeding type of girl, I like to weed vinyl. If I had a bulk order, child, it would take hours. And I mean hours. Versus 3 little minutes to cut the image out and press it on the shirt and be done. Yeah, I'll take this for a bulk order for $200, Alex. And y'all, these small logos will go on my work shirts for when I film my videos. Okay, so here are all of the designs. It's simply no excuse for us not to be in our bags all 2024. Because with this method, the only thing you need is a heat press, YouTube University, and me, of course, to show you step by step different ideas on ways to make you some coins. So let's get to it, y'all. Okay, so moving right along, I'm going to do the right thing and read the directions. So there's no need to pre-press or pre-iron the shirt. That's always a plus when it's one less step. Okay, so now I'm over at the heat press and it's saying medium pressure at 310 Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. Okay, so now that it's heated up, I'm gonna go ahead and press my Gildan sweater. I'm laying my sweater sideways because the hoodie will be too bulky. So when I go to push it in, it'll probably not go all the way. So this is me just lining up the shirt. And y'all, I did something so bad. I forgot to lint roll the sweater. But every time I do a project, I always forget one simple step, and it's the lint roller this time. So now I'm just gonna, I got it even. I'm just gonna put my heat transfer tape on all four corners to lock my image in place. Sorry about my arm being in the way. I was in my own zone. Yeah, I know I be listening to my music, so I was probably jamming and grooving. Okay, we got the image locked in place. We're gonna apply the parchment paper they gave us, and we're off. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so now the image is done being pressed. So I'm gonna let it cool off for about 5 seconds, so I speeded up time a little bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and reveal my image. Fingers crossed. Oh my God, it peeled. Ooh, it peeled so good, jeez. Yeah, I like that, but I do notice a little blemish that I don't care for. And we're gonna get into that in just a minute. So now we're gonna go ahead to the final step, which is pressing the image for another 15 seconds without the plastic and just the parchment paper on top to lock the image in place. Okay, here's the final look, you guys. Okay, y'all, so I had to take a quick pause because that blemish is not giving, and I was a little over it. But then when I took a step back and looked at the other images, it was on all of them, child. I don't know what's happening here. I will cut them off, the rest of them, but I don't know what that is. I don't know if they put extra ink. I'm not sure. But overall, it looks really nice. It was like butter peeling the plastic off. It's prettier in person than on film, I can say. So I'm pleased. It's not easy pleasing me, but I'm sold. And since you made it this far, I want to say thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.